Use the Legends object to view specific object-related details. Insert it in Plan View or in Drawing Models. Choose the object type to create its legend. Or select one of the various predefined templates. Confirm and set it into place. Define its size and proportion. Set the number of columns and subdivisions. Edit the title. Customize title font and column headers. Apply data filters and define the data to view.